Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a 100% legal and safe Illustrator-like experience for free. It works on all types of Macs, Intel or Apple Silicon, as well as any Windows PC. And the best part, you don't need to install anything. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but Safari, Firefox, or Edge will work just as well. In the search bar, type photop.com and hit enter. This will take you to the official Photop website. Once you're there, click Start Using Photop. Photopea is an amazing online design tool that looks and feels just like Adobe Illustrator. You can open your own design files by selecting Open from Computer, and it supports Illustrator files along with many other popular formats. Let me quickly show you how it works. Click on New Project. From here you can set your canvas size, adjust the settings, or choose from ready-made templates. For example, I'll select YouTube thumbnail and click Create, and there you go. You now have a blank workspace that looks almost identical to Illustrator. On the left you'll find familiar design tools, and along the top you'll see menus like File, Edit, Image, and more. It's all right there, inside your browser. No installation, no cost. Now you might be wondering, is this actually legal? Absolutely. Photopea was created entirely from scratch by independent developers. It's not owned by Adobe, but it's supported by ads, which is why you can use it for free. You may see a few small ads on the side, but they're not intrusive. And if you prefer a cleaner workspace, you can use an ad blocker or a browser like Brave to hide them. And that's it. That's how you can enjoy a full Illustrator-style design experience on your Mac, completely free and 100% legal. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.